Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see front view, top view and side view of this object in first angle. Now if you see, yellow portion is front view, red portion is top view and blue portion is side view. So now when observer will see from front, he has to draw front view, top view and side view using first angle. See, he will see from X, so he can see length, height and width 50, 30, 30. So when he will see from the front, this is how it will look. So in front view, he can see this much. Same way in top view, he can see this. There are two rectangles. So in top view, he can see these two rectangles. In side view, again two rectangles. So see this one and the upper one. Now we'll start with drawing length, width and height box. So what we will do, first we will mark 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is a worksheet. It will be available in the description. You can download it from there. So first we will mark 50. After that, we'll take height. Height is how much? 30. So we'll mark 30, 10, 20, 30. And we complete the box. After that, width is how much? 30. So we leave 20 and we'll draw a line. We can leave whatever we want. So I'm leaving 20 mm. Then we'll draw a vertical line. And remember, all dimensions are in mm. This is how much? 50, 30. So we'll take 30 and we will draw this box. After that, we'll draw 45 degree. We can use this set square to draw 45 degree. See this, like this. You can keep it horizontal, like this, on T-scale, and you can draw 45 degree. Or you can take it with protractor. After that, you will take lines from top view, and you will get wherever it will intersect with that 45 degree line. From there we will draw vertical line. So that means we have transferred width, which is how much? 30. So in side view you will have a box of 30 by 30. Now this is what you will see in front view. So we'll start with that. How much is this? 50. So let me write A and B. So A over here, B over here. Then B to C. How much is B to C? 30. So we'll mark B to C. Then C to D. How much it is? 20. C to D, 20. See this. C to D. Then D to E. See, how much is this? 30 minus 10, 20. So we'll mark that point as E will go down by 20. D to E, right? So how much is D to E? 20. Then E to F, that would be 50 minus 20, so it would be 30. We can draw horizontal line from E. We will get it directly. So we got A, B, C, D, E, F. Complete front view. Now we'll draw top view, this part and this part. So it is the top portion and this portion. We have to draw these two rectangles. Let me name this as 1. This point which is behind, that will be 2. This is 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I want to see this in front view, then 1 will be here, 2 will be here, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now in top view, I can see this point 3 over here and C over here, A over here, F and 6. So I will mark 3 to 4, 20. We can take projection from front view, and this line will be dark, which is 4D. See this, 3 to 2 only 1 point, 4 to 5 1 point, 6 to 1 1 point. So when you see from the top, you can't see height, so it will be directly below that point. So that's why I'm writing like this. Now we have to darken this. So what we are doing, we are drawing top view. When you see from the top, you can't see height. See, this is part P or surface P, and this is Q. So what do you see between P and Q? A dark line. It is in one plane, but there is a dark line. That means these two are different. This is M and N. When you see from the side, you will see M and N. So we will draw that. So that this is point 1, A, 6 is how much up? 10 mm up. So we can take it from front view. This is 6. So we got M surface, that is F, and we have surface number N. So we'll mark remaining points also. 4, 3, 5, 6. See this. So this part will be dark. So this is how it will look in side view. It will appear in side view. So we have converted 3-dimensional diagram into 2-dimensional diagram. Now we will do dimensioning. Now remember one thing, smaller dimension will come inside and the bigger one will come outside. So that's why I've written 10 and 30 that way. So this is very useful for engineering students as well as anyone who is doing technical drawing related subject. Thank you.